Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to Statistics. Today I'll be discussing the scope of statistics in this video. Science without statistics bears no fruits, and statistics without science has no roots. The importance of statistics makes it clear that science and statistics, they are indispensable. There are a lot of scientific knowledge cannot be developed without doing any research, and the research is not possible without using any statistical method or statistical analysis. There are n number of statistical methods are applicable, like the hypothesis testing, z-test, t-test, chi-square, ANOVA, ANCOVA, which are being used to establish your statement or to validate your assumption. So science and statistics, they goes hands in hands. The scope of statistics is vast and ever expanding. Science of statecraft, another name of statistics. So statistics gives a lot of input in developing policies for a state or for any country. All welfare activities of all ministries and government departments like agriculture, finance, company affairs, transport, commerce, defense, they are heavily dependent on the financial data for their efficient functioning. Statistics and economics goes hands in hand. As we all know, economics is all about managing scarce resources and compilation of population data, calculation of income, per capita income, balance of payment, import, export, inflation rate. These all are done through statistical method. Time series analysis, index number, forecasting technique, demand analysis, these are all powerful statistical techniques and tools used in economics heavily. To understand the application of statistics in business, we'll be discussing in my next slide. Let's have a look on the statistics and natural science. Statistical techniques are used in natural science like biology, medicine, zoology, astronomy, all these areas. Statistics also has huge application in social science. Statistical techniques like the ANOVA, ANCOVA, these are used heavily for the discipline of art, psychology, education, social science, social systems, all this area. Let's discuss a little bit in details what is the scope of statistics in business. I will just discuss with taking one example in each area of business. Accounting, public accounting firm, they are not checking each and every data of each department. What they are doing, they are just taking a sample of each department and they go for audit. Marketing, market research, consumer behavior, these are the subjects where statistics are heavily used. I have just taken one example, like point of sale POS scanners are used to collect data about the customers and which are used for developing like clustering technique or developing market segmentation, market basket analysis. These are all the applications of statistics to understand the customer better and to serve the customer better. Production, we know in my previous video I have given you an example how to check whether any machine is working properly or not. Statistical quality control charts are used to monitor the output of a production process, and then accordingly the decisions are taken. Financial advisors are using different types of ratios, dividend yields, which are again using the statistical techniques, and they are giving the advices to the people who are going for investment. Statistics has applications in HR area also. I have just given one example. You know, the different parameters which are leading to employee satisfaction are analyzed to predict the attrition rate of any organization, and this is an essential part of human resource planning. In information system, administrator use statistical information to check whether how is the performance of any software, how is the software is able to give end-to-end solution, how is the computer network working. So there are definitely any area, whatever you talk or whatever you take an example, statistics definitely has an application. But what statistics cannot do, what are the limitations of statistics, that I will discuss in my next video. Thank you.